Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh to all my dear children. Welcome to our EVS class. In today's class we are going to learn about flowers. Okay children? Now I will play one video. Watch the video carefully.
Roses are red, yellow and pink. The lotus in the pond does not sing. Yellow sunflowers face the sun. Flowers are liked by everyone. Orange marigold, oh so bright. Sweet smelling jasmine is completely white. In many, many colors hibiscus is found. With petals open wide, it looks big and round. Roses are red, yellow and pink. The lotus in the pond does not sing. Yellow sunflowers face the sun. Flowers are liked by everyone. Orange marigold, oh so bright. Sweet smelling jasmine is completely white. In many, many colors hibiscus is found. With petals open wide, it looks big and round.
Okay children, I hope you all understood flowers names. Okay children, we will finish our unit 3. Inshallah, we will do some exercise in our next class. Okay children, Jazakallah khair.